Hey, this is Henny from Pink Elephant Media, and in this section we're going to show you how to add forms to your WordPress website. Now, forms are used for a number of different reasons. One, to improve processes within your office setting, e.g. if there's paperwork that you fill out all the time and you can get a customer to fill out to save you time over the phone. This is a really good way of doing that because it will make you look very professional and it will save you time. It also has the other advantage, which is the more return traffic you have, the more important you are seen by the search engines and the more higher up the listings you will become. So we use forms for a variety of number of reasons. Now in here, this is our test site, but what you can see is you can see a form. So you want to find forms on the left hand side. I'll just come out of there. Forms down the left hand side. If you don't have it, please go to our shop and ask for them to be added, or submit a support ticket and we can have them added to your site. What you want to do here is press add new forms and give the form a name. So I'm just going to call that guest blogger. You can put a brief description in there if you wish, but you don't have to. And you can create the form. I've actually already called one guest blogger, so I'm going to go into it. And in here, you'll see a whole load of buttons then down the side, and this is sort of where the form starts. Now, there's nothing in there, but it gives you a bit of a brief description. So it may be that you want to go to the advanced fields, which might have name, phone number, website, file uploads, these sort of elements. And you simply start building your form by dragging across the item that you want. So here you can say I've got name, first name, last name. I may want to take a telephone number. Again, you can just drop that in. Sometimes it is a bit fiddly to get it to go. There we go. That adds the phone number. It could be that you want an email address as well. Maybe that you want to ask a question where you have multiple select as an option. So if you click that, it will add it. And then if you press the down button, you can label this. So you can put this question in here. So it may be that you wanted to say, what best describes your business? And you might put in a various different options in here. So it might be B2B, B2C, B, and it might be that's all the options that you want. So you might take that out and then that is already in there. So now when you see that question, you can get a few choices when that comes up. Once you're happy again, you've got the checkbox option. So maybe that you have various different options. You can just get them to select one. It may be that you want them to be able to upload documents. So you can just drag that in. And you can obviously add a bit of information in there as to what you want them, what that file upload is for. Again, you might want post showing, you might want products showing in here, and then you basically press update. Once this form is updated, you will see that it has an ID guest blogger and it will show in the form section. So to add this now to a page on your website, which is what you have to do, you'll go to pages and press add new. Now you can design the pages in various different ways. It may be that you want to use your Divi builder to add a bit of design. You might want to put an image. You might want to put their company logo or your company logo in here. That's very easy to do if you just press the Divi builder and you name this the page of the form that you want. So let's call this guest blogger. Build from scratch, but again there's templates that you can use. And add text. Now in this instance I am not going to add any imagery above it, just to show you how this works. You can now see a section that says add form, and in here you will see guest blogger form, and if you click that and press insert form, press tick. If we preview this, now you will see the form that I just built showing there. There you go. And that is your form. And then you can update that, and that will be the URL that you send out to everybody when they've done that. When you're happy with them, you can just press publish and then take that URL and send that URL to people.